Good morning. My name is Petrus Nandi, and I come from the Catholic Institute Philosophy of Ledalero. Now I want to present shortly about the article that I have written, which title is Optimize the Sustainable Development Goals Implementation, Practical Solution to the Paradox and the Problem of Development in Indonesia. There are 3 points that I want to tell. The first is background and the statement of the problem. Nowadays, the world economic system has been living on the 4.0 industry era. The industry's progress, which started on the 17th century, especially on the industrial revolution in Europe, has been reached its culmination now. It is signed by the industrial products which expands rapidly on the global market. The expand of the economic system of capitalism brings a mission to make standardize the global market where the capitalism is the mainstream of the economic system. The capitalism demands every nation to enter to the economic competition that which the market pushes every nation to be more competitive. This case also direct pushes every nation to secure their economic growth. Then the development movement, especially in economy, takes place. Although involved in the economic competition, all nations as the member of the United Nations organization, including Indonesia, have a good concern about development. This is manifested in their spirit to make and agree the universal system and program of development. In 2015, the development world discovered a new innovation which is called Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs. SDGs simply means a universal declaration of development goals which has been implemented by 193 countries from 2016 until 2030. SDGs is the manifestation of the authentic development. Why? It is because the SDGs has multidimensional scope. In building the nation, every country always faces many challenges which have correlation with the country's historical, cultural, and social context. If those challenges are not responded very well by some good and accurate strategies, then the development will not go into fruition. In the context of Indonesia, the main problem and challenge here is the reality of disparity between the east and the west part of Indonesia. It is caused by the tendency to centralize the development during the old and new era before Reformation era. Besides that, according to some studies of some researchers, the other problem here also are the ecological deterioration and the problem of sociocultural, such as poverty, unemployment, etc. This article will make a correlation between the problem of development in Indonesia in one side and the SDGs in the other side. So, the matter of problem that will be explained on this article can be formulated by below questions. First, what is the main problem of development in Indonesia? Second, what is the main concept of SDGs? And the third, how can we correlate the SDGs and the problem of development in Indonesia? Meaning to say, what are the efforts to maximize, to optimize the SDGs in the context of the problem of development in Indonesia? The second point is methodology. This research gathers some facts about the problem of economy in Indonesia and the SDGs. So, this article is thus a qualitative product, a product of qualitative research with the acquisition of data of economic and the SDGs from the different works of some economic experts. The third point is result and the conclusion. The result that is obtained by this article is that the SDGs has a correlation with the problem of economic Indonesia, and that the points that mentioned in SDGs declaration enables Indonesia to solve its problem of development. So as a recommendation, Indonesia, especially the government, should optimize the SDGs in the context in developing this nation. And the last is conclusion. According to the whole article, the conclusion is that the Indonesian development has been working for a long time, but it is not really give very big challenge and progress to Indonesia. As an evidence, now we can see many problems in Indonesia, such as, just like what I have said before, unemployment, impoverishment, etc. And SDGs, with its three aspects of economy, human, and environmental dimension, can help Indonesia to solve its problem of development. That's all, and thank you.